Today I'm going to teach you how to get your old W-2 from Turbotax. If you need to access previous year W-2 forms that you've already entered into Turbotax, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find them. Start by opening your web browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the same login credentials you used when you originally filed your taxes, as this ensures you'll have access to all your previous year's information. Once your account has loaded, you'll be ready to retrieve your old W-2 information. The process of obtaining your old W-2 from Turbotax is actually quite straightforward, and you won't need to dig through multiple menus or settings to find what you're looking for. If you've registered an old W-2 on your Turbotax account and need to locate it, simply click on the search bar located at the top part of your screen. This search function is incredibly useful for quickly navigating to specific forms or information within your account. In the search bar, which Turbotax labels as the Ask Anything field, type in W-2. This will pull up relevant results related to your W-2 forms. From the search results that appear, click on the Take Me to W-2 option. This is the quickest way to navigate directly to where your W-2 registrations are stored. Turbotax will redirect you to the appropriate section where all your registered W-2 forms are listed. You should now see a comprehensive list of all the W-2 files you've registered in your account, organized by year and employer. To access the information from your old W-2, simply click on Review next to the specific form you want to view. This will open up all the detailed information from that W-2, including your wages, withholdings, and employer information. You can review this information on screen or even print it if you need a physical copy for your records. And that's it. You've successfully located and accessed your old W-2 from Turbotax. Having this information readily available can be helpful for loan applications, financial planning, or simply keeping accurate records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.